Welcome to the world of data science. In today's data-driven business landscape, understanding data science isn't just for tech companies, it's essential for every business leader. Data science is the key to unlocking insights hidden within your organization's information.
So what exactly is data science? It's the intersection of three critical areas: mathematics, computer science, and domain expertise. When you combine mathematical rigor with computational power and real business knowledge, you get the ability to extract meaningful insights from data.
Data science transforms raw, messy data into actionable business value. Think of it as a pipeline. We collect data, clean and process it, analyze patterns, generate insights, and ultimately make better decisions. This systematic approach separates gut feelings from evidence-based strategy. Data science helps answer four fundamental business questions. What happened in the past? Why did it happen? What's likely to happen next? And most importantly, what should we do about it? These questions move us from reactive to proactive business management. Every industry uses data science today. Retailers optimize inventory and personalize recommendations. Financial firms detect fraud and assess risk. Manufacturers predict equipment failures. Healthcare providers improve patient outcomes. The applications are truly endless. We're generating more data than ever before. 90% of the world's data was created in just the last 2 years. Every click, transaction, sensor reading, and social media post creates data. Companies that can harness this explosion gain tremendous competitive advantage. Traditional business analysis looks backward using spreadsheets and reports. Data science goes further, using algorithms to find hidden patterns, make predictions, and automate decisions at scale. It's not replacing traditional analysis, it's supercharging it.
Remember, data science combines mathematics, computing, and business expertise to create value. It answers critical business questions and enables evidence-based decisions. In the following lectures, we'll dive deep into how you can leverage data science in your organization.
Next video: what is machine learning?